Okay, now we have the motor running, and I will move the wheel as close to the lever magnet as I can. And once I get it into position, then I'll lock it down with this C-clamp. I'm using the C-clamp because I can't get my Allen wrench underneath to get to those Allen head bolts. So we'll keep moving this in. And we'll set our current there. And we'll move around a little bit further. A little bit further. Okay, looks like we've got a couple millimeters of clearance there between the lever magnet and the rotor magnets. So I'll tighten that down in position. Okay. Now we'll connect our load. Adjustable load. Our generator. And this is our LED here. Okay. Now we'll start adjusting our load. And we get our coil in close as we can, which looks like about 2 millimeters. And the magnets maybe. Tighten that down. Hold it in position. Now I don't know if you can see it, we're getting a little, but we're set on 20 milliamps of DC current, and right now we're at 0.29 milliamps in, or 120 give or take in, and 0.2 milliamps out. So now we can start adjusting our load. And we're at 0.8 milliamps, 1 milliamp, and our input current staying about the same. It's bouncing between 116 and 125 or 126, so we can just ballpark it at about 120. We're at 2 milliamps. Now we're going to adjust our voltage amplitude. So we're at 5 volts. one. So there's 5 volts from our frequency generator, and that's our input. So we're at 5 volts. And about someplace between 90 and 100 milliamps input, so we'll ballpark it at 95 milliamps input, and we have an output of 2 milliamps. I don't know if you can see our LED lit here or not. There's our other meter. Now I'm going to continue to increase the load to the point that the motor stops. So we're at 2.3, 2.4, 2.5. There's 3 milliamps. About 3.5 milliamps is where the motor stalls. And our input stayed around 95 milliamps. So, if we take that data and maximum load is 95 milliamps. 95 milliamps, and output current is at maximum load is 3.5, and our output voltage at maximum load is 5 volts. Right. Peak to peak. So there it is. The efficiency is not very good in this particular model. So I'm either going to need to improve the efficiency of my generator, or improve the efficiency of my drive, or both. Thank you. That's all for now.